Hey guys, Cat72, hope everyone's doing well. Today I want to go over a quick video on this product called Cerakote Ceramic Headlight Restoration Kit, because what I'll do is show you in a minute now how bad my lenses are on my headlights are on my Kia. And basically all you're gonna need is just a squirt bottle full of water, and I'll show you what's in the box now. I'll just show you what the kit consists of. So you're going to have a total of 4 oxidation remover pads, or I'm sorry, 3. It's 3 for each headlight, so 1 for the left, 1 for the right. You're going to get the ceramic headlight coating, and there should be 2 of these in here, 1 for each headlight. This is once you take off all the oxidation. This will be the next step. Yeah, as you can see in there, there's 2, 1 for each headlight. And then you also get some instructions, a little palm pad, and the palm pad consists of, let me take this out real quick. I'm sorry guys, I'm working with one hand here. I'm sorry about the background noise. It's hard to do videos in your backyard with neighbors. I mean, everybody's doing something and there's always going to be background noise, unfortunately. But anyway, you get a little palm pad, and you get 2 2000 grit sanding pads, and 2 3000 grit. And then lastly, you get some gloves. So you get a set of one. Guess we're missing. Okay, we get a set of 2 gloves, and that's all of it right there. So now, guys, let me take you over to the Kia and show you my lights the way they look now. That way we get a before and after. All right, let's go ahead and get this going. Okay, guys, here we are at the Kia. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, you should be able to see that. You can see where it's kind of fading out, and it's just showing some yellow and some kind of like discoloration here. It simply just doesn't look clear like it should. And let me show you the driver's side. Yeah, you can just see all that. So we're gonna see how well this product works. This is the before, and then I'll show you the after. And now I'm pretty sure we're going to see a significant difference, because I've used another product similar to this one. It was called McGuire's restoration kit. Like I said, this one, I'm sure it's going to do the same thing. It consists of pretty much the same material, other than it's just made by Cerakote as opposed to McGuire's. So we're going to see how this works out, guys. I'm going to put it on time lapse. First thing I'm going to do, step 1, I'm going to put some gloves on. We're going to clean the lenses with this oxidation remover. I'm probably just going to use all 3. I don't see why not. And we'll go from there. I'm going to go ahead and get the video started and put some gloves on. This will be the first process. Once this is done, the second process will be the sanding. Let me get that back out of the box again. That'll be the sanding. We're going to hit it first with the 2000, and then the 2000, and then the 3000, using plenty of water. And then lastly, we'll put the final step will be the ceramic clear coating, and we'll see what the results look like. All right, guys, let's get this going. Okay guys, so this is how dirty the lenses were. I only needed to use 1 pad, in all honesty. Mine didn't have so much oxidation, so I only used 1 pad. They come pretty drenched, so you probably don't need to use all 3. And I guess if you have some severe oxidation, you might need all three, but I got away with just using one. And let me show you what it looks like close up. You can already see that it's kind of improved it. So next, we're going to go ahead and start the sanding, and just be sure to keep the lenses extremely wet. I'm using a squirt bottle filled with water, and like I said, we're going to start off with the I believe it's the 1000. Yeah, I'm sorry, 2000. We're going to start off with the 2000. That's the rougher one. The 3000 would be the lighter one. So we'll go ahead and get that going. And again, we'll jump into time lapse. Okay guys, so that was hitting it with the 2000 grit, and this is the results. It's gonna kind of look frosty a little bit. Now we're gonna hit it with the 3000. A couple of things I wanted to mention too, guys. One is you're going to need a microfiber cloth to wipe it down afterwards. I forgot about that. And also, they do suggest taping around your light just to prevent scratches. But I'm pretty good with my hands, so I didn't really go to that level. But anyway, let's go ahead and get the 3000 started, and then I'll show you the results after that. Okay guys, and now we're done with the 3000, and as you can see, they've improved somewhat, but the final step is what's really going to show whether or not this product works or makes a difference, which it kind of already has made a significant difference, but this is the next step. And it's recommended when you use this to go in one direction, doing about a 50% overlap, and you can only use it that one time, and that's it. You can't go over it and over it. Once you lay it on there, you got to leave it alone after that. So let's hope this works. All right, let's see how this goes. Okay guys, here's the finished result, and I'm very impressed with the results. They do look practically brand new. Let me get you closer. I mean, you could still see some cracking on the lens, but this is a 2013 Kia. But as you can see, it made a huge improvement. And I didn't do the passenger side light, so let me show you what it looked like previously. See that? I did sand it, but I didn't finish it complete, but you get the idea that that's kind of how it looked, you know, just kind of like faded and deteriorated. And then now look at it. I think that's a plus, guys. I'm pretty happy with the results. Now, I wanted to tell you guys, even though I'm doing this, and they say that it will last a very, very long time, I do have some smoke vivid tint that I'm going to put over my lenses, so I don't have to go through this process in the near future should it not last as long as they say it should. I think they said, I read somewhere on here, let's see, I think I read somewhere here that it's guaranteed to not fade after using this product, but don't hold me to that. I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure no matter how good they want to stand behind their product, that's almost impossible for it not to fade. It is plastic. Plastic lenses are going to fade and crack no matter what kind of coating you put on them over time. They're not like back in the days when they were glass. Those things would last forever, and I mean literally forever, with the shine and with no fading and all that other stuff that you get now with these plastic lenses. But anyway, as I was saying, guys, I do have a video coming up where I ordered some Vivid headlight tint. I'm going to do the back and the front, and the purpose for that is so that I don't have to go through this process again. I do like the way they look naturally, nice and clean, and you know, kind of like crystal clear. But I did these like maybe about a year ago, and you saw how they got, so I don't want to keep going through this process over and over. So with having that Vivid lens tint, and I'm going to go with a real light smoke gray, and we'll talk more about that when I do the video, but it's a specific type of vinyl that it doesn't hold back any of the luminosity of the light, so it's not going to render the lights to make them look dull like some of these real dark headlights you see people tinting them real dark. But anyway, that's for another video. That'll be the next one coming up, guys. I'm also not happy with the stripe that I did. I got another one on the way. We're gonna do another video, or I'm gonna do a video on the stripe as well. But for today, I just wanted to go over the lenses, and as you can see, I'm really happy with the results. It looks really good compared to before. It made a dramatic difference. So I'm going to go ahead and finish up the passenger side and then call it a day. Hey guys, before I finished up the video, I wanted to show you how the passenger side came out. Since this one's facing the sun, you can see that it really made a significant difference. I mean, they practically look brand new. Yeah. And one more thing too. When I was looking at the package, I was trying to tell you guys that they said that this should last for an extended amount of time. They're claiming that I found it. I guess I just wasn't paying attention. It's right there, protects for life, guaranteed. So with that being said, I still, as much as they believe in their product, don't think that it will last a lifetime. So it's just a sales gimmick, guys, but it does work. How long it'll last, I don't know. It just depends on the weather conditions, what part of the world you live on, how much sun hits the lenses. Like on the Kias, as you can see from the top view, it gets a lot of sun simply because of the shape and the mold of the lens. There's some vehicles where you won't have that much exposure, so those won't fade as quickly. So there's a lot of other attributes that can contribute to these fading out pretty quick and deteriorating faster than others. But for a 2013 Kia, these have held up pretty damn good. And like I said, this is the second time I'm doing this in about a year. But again, and I don't know, guys, I might just keep them like this if I decide I don't like the way the vinyl vinyl cover is going to look on it. So we'll see how that goes. But anyway, I just wanted to give you guys a look at both before I ended the video. Yeah, it's a huge significant difference. So all right, guys, y'all stay safe till the next one. Peace out.